Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your VIVO X300 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is remove a screen protector or a case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever you have a screen protector and it's not applied properly, it's not going over the screen, but it's going, let's say, on the edges or on the sides of the phone, doesn't matter which direction, then it can cause your screen to become less responsive or not responsive at all. So as you guys can see, for example, this is what happens, and yes, it does work somehow, but sometimes it won't. So this can make your screen become irresponsive, and we want to clean it first. But before cleaning, we want to remove the screen protector. And now for the case, basically whenever you have a case, then if this is going off the bezel, so the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone, let me quickly take the case off so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Here we have the bezel, so the dark part between the screen and the side. It's very small on this phone, but still, if the case is going over it, so let's say it's going like this, and it's covering even a tiny part of the screen, then it can already make your screen less responsive. That's why we want to make sure that our case is made out of a good dummy phone, and we want to make sure that it is trusted, not from like a third-party website that can mess things up. So what are we going to do next is we're going to force restart the phone. This is very important because if your touchscreen is not responding, you can now restart it the normal way. So we're going to press the power button, volume up button, and now what are we going to do is we're going to press the power button and the volume down button, and we want to ignore the screenshot now because we need to hold it for 10 seconds to restart the device. So as you guys can see, we keep on holding, and if you do not see any results in 10 seconds, then what you guys want to do is simply press it again. But the screen went black already. We see the logo, and the phone is turning on faster because that's what a forced restart is. It turns the phone on faster, so it should take around a couple of seconds more, and it should be done. As you guys can see, it was very quick. Now what are we going to do as a last resort is update our software to fix any touchscreen issues. We're going to go to the settings, and in these settings we're going to scroll down until we see the system update right here. Now we are already on the latest system version, so if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important to get rid of any glitches on your phone, especially the old ones. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.